What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see the Padma Setu or the Padma Bridge. Hello guys! Yes. Padma Kalamuni is wearing sunglasses. So guys, we are now at Shohid Minar here in Dhaka. Yes, the one and only. No, there's actually so many Shohid Minar, but this is the one in Dhaka. Here is my box of well food. It's a fast food place here in Bangladesh. And now I'm gonna open it up and see what is inside. Okay, so we have a samosa, and then we have a sandwich. Let's see what this sandwich is. Doesn't say. I think that is a chicken sandwich. Okay, good. Let's go on. And then under here we have a piece of cake. Oh, piece of cake and a laddu. Is this a laddu?
Yes. This is mawa laddu.
So, and then we have a mawa laddu. And that's it for my epic food box breakfast. Yes. Now I'm gonna eat it, just like all these other people in the back.
Yummy.
Puri Ganga. So we are on our way to Padma Setu, and now we are giving tolls.
The private car.
Yes. So guys, we are now entering Padma Setu.
Toll plaza.
This is the toll road, toll plaza. Yes. Kursi. So guys, we just crossed Padma Setu and right now we're driving near, where is this?
Jadira.
Bhanga Jajira.
Right now we're at Bhanga Jajira. So guys, we are now going to have some cha.
tea? What?
We're gonna have some cha, tea, masala tea. So apparently we have entered a market and I don't know. We're supposed to get tea, but we're just goofing around. So guys, I'm in the car with these weirdos. We are on the way back on the Padma Setu. No, this is the Padma River. Very nice and beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. So what is up, guys? The sun is very sharp here, but we are standing close to the Padma Setu. It is super hot. So guys, we are now on the coastline besides the bridge. Okay. So this is a river. It's super large. I think it's 9 kilometers wide. And the current is very strong. So the bridge was very hard to build. It took, I think, 5 years. She has become hidden from society. It's just too hard to control her. So this is Malai tea. It's supposed to be very tasty and good. It's like a special type of tea. It's super creamy, yeah. Super thick. So guys, here we have the hilsa fish, and then over there we have the eggs from the hilsa fish, and then we have shrimp, prawns, and then we have eggplant fry. Yes, super delicious, dudes. Oh, too dark. So guys, this fry is absolutely fantastic. And some really good fish. So guys, we are now going to pray Jummah Namaz here at the mosque. Guys, we have returned to the restaurant and they have served us some yogurt in this very nice ceramic pot. Oh shoot! In this very nice ceramic pot. I really like it. It looks very nice. And then there's yogurt inside. Nice. So guys, we are now in the car. We just had food and it's so hot. It is literally too hot to handle, guys. But as we are we're waiting for the gang to come to the car, and then we're gonna go home, and then after that we're gonna go to Nafi Bhai's place, hopefully.